Okay, this is our team roster, Division C, under 13. Okay, players. Mga kids natin, nakakatawa naman yung mga kids natin. First possession, napunta sa Team Blue. Number 24. 24, Luke, number 24, nakahabol na lang. Out of bounds. White ball po tayo. Okay, inbound, white team. Number 1. Same ball, last touch for Luke, number 24. Our referee for today is Referee Kamal Muhammad and Referee Muhammad. Okay, white. Okay, proper inbound po tayo. Jacob, binababa ang bola. Pinasa kay number 15, Rena. Wala. Na-rebound pa rin nila. Number 5, pass to Jacob, pinasa kay Rena. Pinasa kay Jacob ulit. Out of bounds. Blue team. Blue ball. Half-court press. Makalinaw, number 26. Makalinaw. Almost stolen. Pero na-recover. Number 26. 26 pa rin. Pass to Luke. Nice pass. Rena. Na-recover ni number 24 Luke. Pinasa kay Zion. Pass to number 26. Malinaw. There's a foul call by our referee. Referee Jamal. Okay, 2 free throws tayo. Ganda na laban. 2 free throws for Giant. Kuya Janet. Wala ang walang tira.
Shot, Nonoy!
Second try. Yan, kids. Makinig po tayo sa ating mga referees. Si Referee Jamal. Second try, wala. Rebound ng White.
Wala pa isa.
Wala. Nakawali ba kalinaw? Pasa kay number 24 na ataw. Sayang. Yan. Upper press. Upper na po. Mga kids. Same ball. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. Look! Looking for his teammate. Pasa na ikaw. Will Jacob. Pinasa. Nakaw ni number 24. Pinasa kayo ni Pahin. Out of bounds. Ano ba? O, time out na daw. Ref the ball. Time out. Coach.
Wala pa.
Player, Rocafort. White team. Time out muna. Blue, dito po tayo kay Kuya Popoy pa. Time out muna. Welcome po sa ating NGP Tigers. Kita niyo naman, yung pa-preview pa lang natin sa ating mga awards. Dami nating medals and certificates para sa ating mga kids. Atin sa atin yan another by Coach Nino Jelly. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game po tayo. Out of bounds ang blue team, so white ball po tayo. Number 17, Kuya Jacob. Kuya Jacob. Pass to number 5. Number 5, fires. Oh. There's a goal and a foul. 2 free throws yan. Para kay number 5, Prince. Si Kuya Prince, titira ng 2 free throw. Two free throws para kay Kuya Prince. First try, wala. Ito na kaya ang ating unang puntos para kay Kuya Prince for the white team. Makalinaw. Pass deflected. Nakakuha ni Kuya number 15. Counter steal by Kuya Luke. Makalina number 26. 26. First! Setting na!
Uy, nakaman sila.
Nakulipayin. Prince. Hinahabol ni Kuya Luke. Prince. First! Setting na! Almost. Loose ball double. Jumbo. Blue ball. Okay, kids, half court press ulit tayo, half court. Half court. Ayan na, number 28. Baim. Baim, pass to Kuya Zion. Zion number 15. Fires. No. Yellow. There's a foul. Good call para sa ating referee. Muhammad. 2 shots. Para kay Kuya Luke. Two shots for Kuya Luke, number 24. Maitabla kaya ang ating score.
Ay!
Wala. Second try. Basket! For Kuya Luke. We are tied, all one. Half court, blue team. Yan, half court press to tayo. Number 3, binababa ang bola. Number 3. Pass to number 5. Kuya Prince. There's a foul. Two free throws na naman yan.
Ha?
Para kay Kuya Prince.
Yung may hindi Hindi. Yung halimbawa na-foul yung opponent. Pag tawag, ba i-explain?
Pag itago yung bola, pagkatapos
Kuya Prince, 2 shots.
Oo, pag na-touch, oo.
yun, dapat pag nag-aalo ka ng bola, sa bola lang.
Oo, walang physical.
First try. Muntik na.
Kasi hindi ako nag-continue eh.
Second try, Kuya Prince. For the lead. Wala, rebound. Last touch of white, blue ball. Down white, down. Half court. All one po tayo. Very tight ball game. Makalinaw. Makalinaw ng bababa. Makalinaw. Ginugulo ni number 25. Makalinaw. Pass the ball. Agaw. Stolen by number 17, Kuya Jacob. Napitawan. Loose ball nakuha ni Kuya Luke. Kuya Luke. Pasta. Agaw ni number 15. Pass to Emmett. Emmett fires. There's a foul. Two shot yan para kay number 3.
Closer!
Ayan, 2 free throws. Makakuha kaya ni Emmett. Wala ako natira. For the lead. Second try, number 3. 1 minute and 43 seconds sa ating first quarter. Second try. Wala pa rin. Rebound, number 7. Nakuha ni number 5, 3. Stolen by Luke. Luke, pass to Ignay. Pasok kay Zion. Ito na. Yes, Zion! Score! Kaya. White ball po tayo. White ball. One minute and 10 seconds sa ating first period. White ball po tayo. Jacob, nakakato ni Kuya Luke. Kuya Luke! Kuya Luke, ang bilis! Pasa! Makalinaw sa gitna!
Ay, nagsarin, ay! Uy, kawawa daw si Jared.
Number 15! 15! Yun na! Pass to Emmett! Masama ni Kuya Prince! Kuya Prince! Running jumper now! Rebound siya pa rin! Kuya Prince! Nice pass! Alright, nice shot! 25 seconds remaining!
Halak eh.
Kuya Zion, pinababa! 18 seconds! Kuya Zion! 10 seconds remaining! Again, Kuya Zion! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End of our first quarter. Score next. A very high scoring quarter. 3-1. Lamang po ang white team. Certain under division C.
Tubig jam, quick game kay Jared, dalian mo. Dali, support, Jared, painumin ko si. Sabi ko, kain ka ng kain, parang lumaki ka. Hindi
Ready?
sa akin eh. Matagal tumakit.
Makalinaw.
Ano lang,
Makalinaw.
Gummy bear lang din ko yung
na yun, paring Rito. Two shots para kay Kuya Jacob. Two free throws, Kuya Jacob. Padagdagan kaya kalamangan.
Lahat ng kopya, nandyan.
Basket! First try, Kuya Jacob. Grabe. Sure ball. Walang sayang. Sa net.
Walang sayang.
Go, Jacob!
Second try, rebound! Si Kuya Jacob! 6-1 na po ang ating score. Makalinaw. Makalinaw. Looking for teammates. Ano? Libre!
Ay!
6-3 ang ating talaan. 6-3 our score. 6-3 naman po ang white team. Okay, half-court defense. Half-court defense po ang blue.
Sila Jared.
Kuya Ahmed. Pass to Kuya Jared. Kuya Jared. Kuya Jared.
Oy! Mali yung nakatawan.
Kuya Luke. Kuya Luke. Inaabot na Kuya Jared. Kuya Luke.
Uy! Go, 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 go!
Tingnan. Nakakuha ni Kuya Jacob. Kuya Jacob. Pinabot ang bola. Pasa. There's a foul. Pass ball. Same ball lang po tayo. White ball. Okay, defense, blue team. Kuya Jacob para sa ating inbound play. Muli po ang score natin. White team, 6 points. Habang ang blue team naman ay may 3 points na. Umahabol. Kuya Jacob. Pass to Jared. Kuya Jared. Kuya Jared. Last touch. Air ball. Blue ball. Down po ang white team. Half-court defense.
Jared! Jared!
Makalinaw. Makalinaw. Makalinaw, binababa. Being guarded by Kuya Jacob. Pass to. Oh, there's a traveling violation. Traveling na, Kuya. Kuya Emet.
Alam mo naman yung travel.
Sayang! Sayang! Basket na ano. Travel. Traveling call by the referee Muhammad. So, blue team po tayo. Blue team. Possession. Half-court defense, white. Ready? Kuya Luke. Kuya Luke. Pass to number 15. Kuya Zion, there's a foul. Two shots yan. Para Kuya Zion. Two free throws coming up. Kuya Zion, two free throws. First shot for Kuya Zion. Butik na! Maibaba kaya ang kalawangan. Last shot. Ready, rebound. Kicks. Yes, sir! 6-4. Ang ating score. Dalawa na lang muna. Habang ng white team. Ay, ng blue. Kuya Prince. Kuya Prince. Kuya Emet. Emet. Binabantayan ni Carion.
Uy, dali na! Nakaw!
Solid by number 26. Number 28. Flying. Kuya Luke for the time.
Go, 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 go!
Muntik na yun. Kuya Jared. Nakagaw na naman ni Kuya Luke.
Uy, kuliro!
Recover by Ken Jacob.
Ah!
Jump ball. White possession. White ball.
Dahil, mag-picture ka.
White ball.
Para mayroon ka remembrance dyan. Ah?
My arm would hurt. It was like that.
Okay, inbound natin. White, blue defense. Kids, blue, team blue. Defense po tayo. Defense. 3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter. Kuya Prince! Sayang, kaso nasa inbound. Save ball muna. Ayan. Paalala sa ating mga kids. Pag inbound, pasa muna sa ating mga teammates. Hindi pwedeng i-shoot direct. Sayang. 2 points sana. Counted. Okay, Kuya Prince. Inbound and pass to your teammates. From the outside. Nice pass to Kuya Jared. Kuya Jared, there's a foul. 2 free throws yan. 2 free throws for
I didn't see any.
Kuya Jared.
Jared. Ala, prito si
Dalawa na
Jared.
lang.
Prito si Jared na
Overtime tayo sa second quarter.
Sabi, go Jared!
2 free
Sigawan
throws
mo.
Kuya Jared.
Go Jared!
Go, Jen!
First try.
Ay!
Almost.
Isa pa,
Kulang lang
Jared.
sa lakas. Konti.
Isa pa.
Come on.
Second try ni Kuya Jared. Binabati ko ang aking partner dito. Napaka-pogi.
Ang ganda, no?
Statistician, pero din. Second try!
Ay, naku.
Air ball. So, blue ball po tayo. Blue ball. Defense wide. Half court defense po tayo. Half court defense kids. Blue ball. 2 minutes remaining sa ating second quarter para sa ating under 13 Team C. Muntik na magaw. Pass to Kuya Luke. Save the ball pero hindi niya inabot. Sabrak. Substitution Kuya Jacob. Kuya Jacob, palitan ka muna ni Kuya Rhea. Sabro. Papasok si Kuya Zion. White ball. Okay. Blue half-court defense. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining for our second quarter. Kuya Emmett. Pass to Kuya Jared. Pass to Kuya Prince. Pinasa ulit. The big man. 2 points. Kuya. Rehan. 2 points. 8-4 ang aking talaan. 1 minute remaining for our second quarter. With Dion. Agaw.
Baboy.
By number 6. Kuya Emmett. Ginugulo ni Kuya Luke. Emmett. Nakakuha na ng Kuya Luke.
Ay! Go, go, go! Oh, go! Dali!
Number 3, Emmett. Pinasa number 10. Agaw.
Dali!
Loose ball, scrap ball.
Ah!
I love this game. Okay, jump ball.
Jumbo.
Blue naman tayo, blue. Last 10 seconds remaining sa ating second period. After defense, white.
Okay, para.
Kids, 10 seconds na lang, kids. 10 seconds. Zion. Pinasa kay Kuya Luke. 5. Kuya Luke. Pasal dito. Hindi. End of our second quarter. Okay, kids. Go to your coaches. Ang score natin after school quarter. Kuya Rehan. Yeah, Kuya Rehan. Pass the ball. Welcome po sa ating mga audience dyan, sa ating mga parents. Thank you for supporting your kids sa ating basketball passion.
Ha?
Number 15, pass ko yung pin.
Pwede.
Nano. Up, there's a foul. Blue ball. Blue ball. Ito na po ang ating third quarter. Para sa ating under 13. Makalinaw. Up, kids, white. Half court defense. Only half court. Kasi yan. Yes, Zion. Pinasa. Number 15.
Uy.
Out of bounds. White ball.
Pwede ba change word? Kasi pang ano na dyan, pang 3 quarter.
Kuya Rehan. White ball. Number 3, Emmett. Emmett. Pass to Kuya Luke.
Pag ano?
Yes, Zion. Sago. Kay Jared.
Jared, go!
Go, kay Jared. Go.
Ay, daw! Oh!
Kuya Luke, tama na nga.
Agawin!
Zion.
Go!
Sago na.
Sige!
Up. Line violation. Blue ball po tayo, blue ball. White defense.
Ano siya? Favorite sa lalaki.
Nasunod kay coach. Change court na po tayo. So same ball, blue. Kuya Luke. Kuya Luke, fire. No. Upain. Wala rin ba niya? Jared.
Saan dito?
Jared.
Ito, di.
White. White ball.
Di ka pala
Defense blue.
di.
Half court defense. Quick. Half court defense. Ang score natin, 8-4 pa rin. Di pa nagalaw sa ating second quarter. Pasa. Wala akong tira. Putback. Wala pa rin. Out of bounds. Blue ball. Okay, half court defense po. Ang white. Kuya Luke. Meron yan. Na-counter steal. Kuya Luke. Na-counter steal ulit. Kuya Rehan. There's a foul. No basket. Pero 2 shots na yan. 2 shots. 2 free throws para kay Kuya Rehan. 2 shots. Number
Saan
15.
yung shop nila? Online na. Wala pa kayong shop? Wala pa.
Madagdagan kaya ang kalaman. Kuya Rehan, 2 free throws.
Okay.
First try. Mintis. Second try, Kuya Rehan. Pass it. 9-4. Ang ating score. Half court defense, white team, half court. Kuya Prince now. Makalinaw. Makalinaw, ginugulan ni Kuya Rehan. Pinas ay Kuya Luke. Kuya Luke. Kuya Luke. Pasok kay Zion. Zion. Fires. Short. Rebound. Blue. Goodbye. Para kay jersey number 20. Bayin. Bayin. End one play. Meron ka pa. Bonus free throw. Konti na lang. Tatlo na lang ang inaabot ng blue team. Bonus shot para Kuya Bayin. Bonus shot. Bonus pass.
Oo, kasi hahabol na sila.
Gumaganda ang laban. Nagpe-flex pa, Kuya Bayin.
Hindi ko narinig.
Okay, back to the ball game. White ball. Number 25. Pass to Kuya Prince. Binalik kay Kuya Jared. Kuya Jared. Kuya Jared.
Ayun.
Same ball, same ball. Same ball. Kuya Luke. Inbound the ball. 2 minutes remaining for our third quarter.
Wala, third quarter na.
Tayo. Sino kaya? Sino kaya ang mananalo sa dalawang team na to? Kuya Zion. Pass to Zion. Nagaw ni number 10. Pasa. Kuya Luke. There's the foul. 2 free throws yan. Para kay Kuya Luke. Kuya Luke, 2 free throws. Makaibulog ko kaya. May baba kaya kalamangan ng blue team. First try for Kuya Luke. Wala ka mo ng tira. Next game natin, pag-ready na po mga kids. Warm up na po kayo dyan. Kuya Luke! Siya pa rin, naka-rebound! Zion! Nakakuha ka ng number 10. Loose ball scramble. Jump ball. Same ball. Blue. White ball tayo kanina first quarter. Blue ball ngayon. Zion. 1 minute and 10 seconds para sa ating third quarter. Inbound pass. Naagaw. Na-recover ni Kuya Luke. Naagaw ni Kuya Rehan. Kuya Rehan. There's a violation. Same ball. White. Seconds remaining for our third quarter. Zion! Zion! Siya pa rin! Agaw! Agaw ni Kuya Prince! Kuya Prince! para sa ating third quarter. Kuya Jared, bonus siya. Rebound, please, rebound. Okay. Airball. Blue ball tayo, blue. 6 seconds. 6.
Na-shoot ba, be?
Last shot, ang buzzer beater to.
Na-shoot ba ni Jared? Free throw?
5, 4, 3, 2, end of our third quarter. Kaya natin sa ang score natin, 15-7, 8-point lead para sa white team. Yan, papasok na po tayo sa ating last and final quarter para sa ating 13 under. Stop watch na tayo. Stop watch. Next game natin, mga kids. Dito na bago pa na ako dito natin dito. Kuya Lu! Kuya Lu! Buwaka na eh! Buwaka na si Kuya Lu! Grabe! Kita niyo naman, galaw ating patrimonyo. Okay kids, may sasabihin sa inyo si Ref. Makinig po tayo. Okay, find your man. Man-to-man defense na to. Okay, same ball po tayo. Blue ball. Keep on play. Nakaw ni Kuya Prince. Prince! Kuya Prince, nagbababa na bola. Pinasakay. Nakaw ni Kuya Luke. Grabe si Kuya Luke. Same ball.
Ha? Pahinga na, pahinga.
Time na yun.
Rest naman. Kasi fourth quarter, wala
Blue
siya.
ball.
Hanggang third, walang pahinga eh.
Kasi si Sayon.
Pahinga.
Dito ako sa dalawang yan eh.
After defense.
Oo.
Sayon
Para
kasi
sa-
ito, itong 15.
Oo nga.
15-7 ang ating score. Lamang po ang white. Makalinaw. Makalinaw. Binababa bola. Pass to. Sayon. Sayon.
Ah.
Sayon. Ginugulo ni number 10.
Ay, sila din.
Pasa! Aga! Wait, Jacob! Pasa sa kalaban niya lang!
Ito nga si Ryan, tag-10 lang.
Two free throws yan. Coming up for Kuya Luke. Yan. Matatapos kaya ang kalawangan ng white team. Score natin, 15-7 pa rin. Lamang po ang team white. Kuya Luke.
Para ganado.
First try, wala. Second try ni Kuya Luke. Ready, rebound. Second try, basket! 15-8. White ball. Upper defense ang blue.
Sayang wala na. Siya na ano. Hindi siya nakapunta, no?
Kuya Jacob. Kuya Jacob, pinababa. Pass to kay Rehan. Rehan, in the middle. Siyempre! Wala!
Ay!
Rebound. Pinabalan. White team, Kuya Emmett. Pinasa. Kuya Neil. Neil, pinasa kay Kuya Emmett. Sa gitna.
Mami! Na ano ba yun?
Okay,
Guys!
one more shot para sa free throw ni Kuya Vince. Grabe si Kuya
Oh,
Vince.
may free throw
Scoring
pa.
machine. Bonus shot para kay Kuya Vince. Ready for rebound. Ang ating mga kids dyan. Sa ating free throw line. 6 minutes and 39. Bonus shot! Wala!
Oy!
Rebound!
Uy! Sayang! Outside. Outside.
Double po tayo. Down each white. Down. Upper defense. Upper defense white. Ready go. Down.
Aga pa lang running time.
Ha? 8 minutes lang sila. Oo.
Kada,
Partner.
Pinababa bola. Makalinaw. Makalinaw.
Oo.
Makalinaw.
Outside.
Out of bounds. White ball.
kada pa pa.
Pinababa bola.
Meron nga.
Kuya Jared. Kuya Jared. Jared. Jared pa rin. Looking for teammates. Jared pa rin.
Outside.
Out of bounds. Blue ball. Blue ball. Okay, half court defense ang white. Blue ball. Kuya Luke. Kuya Luke. Pinababa ang bola. Kuya Luke. Kuya Luke. Pasa. There's a foul.
Jared.
Foul. Foul number 25. Kuya Jared.
Ako yung natatakot kasi isang ano lang siya. Isang ano lang siya.
So free throws ba yan? Coming up, Cam? For Makalinaw. So free throws. First drive.
Malakas yung ano. Anong tawag yun?
Basket! Naibaba ng kalamangan. Hindi na lang.
Continue ni Ryan.
Mahaba pa to. Parang kinito. 5 minutes and 54 seconds. Second drive. Basket! 2 for 2. For Makalinaw.
Alam, bumaba
17-10 ang ating score. Blue, half-court defense. Blue, half-court defense. Half-court. Yan, very good. Sige po. Ready for stop, rep? Para sa blue team. Kuya Jacob. Pasa!
Ay, outside.
Stop! Kuya Pangit, pasok. Sino po ang papalitan? Number 2. Sino yan? Si Carion. Number 23. Stop. Stop muna number 23. Quarter. Makalinaw. Makalinaw. Okay. Blue. Isayon. Stolen by Kuya Jared. Pass to Kuya Neil.
Dali! Pasa! Pass! Pass!
Number 28. Okay, white ball po tayo, white ball. White ball down, blue team. Blue half-court defense, blue. Down kids. Okay, white ball. Okay, ang ating mga player next game. Ready na po tayo. Magsapatos na po. And pwede na po mag-warm up dyan sa side. Beryl, number 10. Number 10. There's a foul. Sabo. Sabo. Five minutes and 7 seconds sa ating fourth quarter. Kuya Ellen!
Ay!
Sawan! Kuya Sayon! Natawag din na rin! There's a ball. Foul. Foul on. Kuya Sayon. Subrito para kay number 10. 5 minutes and 9 seconds remaining for our fourth quarter. 2 shots. First try, wala. Second try. Second try.
Wow! Dali!
Rebound.
Jared! Lord.
One correct. Kuya Jared. Kuya Jared. Kuya Jared goes inside. Fires. Almost.
Yes!
Time remaining 4 minutes and 49 seconds. First try, wala.
Oo nga.
Second try for Kuya Rian.
Hindi ganyan talaga. Diyan talaga yung ano.
Second try.
Yeah!
40. Using the board. Ang score natin, 18-10. With 4 minutes and 42 seconds remaining for our fourth and final quarter. Number 7. We have Zion. Pasa. Agaw. Number 25. We have Jared. We have Jared. We have Jared.
Pass, Jared!
Kuya Jared, sinubulan ni Kuya Luke. Kuya Jared! Ang ganda ng galaw ni Kuya Jared. Nakakuha ng foul para kay Kuya Luke. 2 free throws. 2 free throws coming up for Kuya Jared. First try. Jared! Extending the lead to 9 points. Second try! Sabrem! Sampo mo na. Papasok si Zion. With Zion. Zion! Zion! Being guarded by Kuya Rian. Foul. There's a foul on number 10. Same ball. Okay, kids, hands up when you're going to guard. Hands up. Wala. Akong shooting lang. Akong shooting lang, coach. Zion. Pass to Kuya Rian. Nagaw. Kuya Rian. Pass to Jacob. Kuya Jacob! Kuya Jacob, ito na! Sayang! Nakakuha na Kuya Prince! New ball! Grabe, napapatayo na ako dito. Mga organizer, committee, Coach Rodel Palyari.
Ay! Bumaboy! Ala!
Pito na lang! 19-12! White ball po tayo. Emet. Yan, pass the ball. Pass, Kuya Jacob.
Uy!
Yan na, Kuya Jacob. Pass to Kuya Jared. Jared, ball mo na. Nabali Kuya Luke. Kuya Luke. Kuya Luke. Kuya Luke. Kuya Luke, pinahabol. Kuya Luke, stop. Pass sana. Nakaw. Jared.
Pasa!
Nagmamadali!
Oh, foul!
2 free throws yan coming up for number 10. Ayan, para sa ating newcomers. Mga players po, ready na po for our second game. At saka
Ay! Lumabas!
ating mga kids for our second game. Pwede na po mag-warm up sa side. Para nakapag-warm up na po kayo. 2 free throws for jersey number 10. Red. First try. Second free throw.
Wala.
Rebound. Out of bounds. Blue ball. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Sa ating fourth and final quarter. Kuya Luke! Kuya Luke! Pasa kay Fahim!
Ginuko si Jared.
Fahim! Pasa kay Paklinaw! First! Pabodi!
Uy!
Rebound! Emet! Emet!
Pasa, pasa!
Emet! Ang bilis!
Uy! Ba't bumalik?
Balik kay Zion! Kay Zion! Kay Zion! Ginugulo ni Kuya Jacob!
Uy!
That's a foul! 2 minutes 9 seconds. Dito lang ang inahabol. Mahaba pa to, parang ginito. Oo nga, parang Ed. 2 minutes and 9 seconds remaining. Ay, pinasa ka naman! Kuya Prince! Kuya Prince! Kuya Prince!
Dali! Dali! Ay!
Puntik na. Last 2 minutes. This last 2 minutes is brought to you by Roaster. Yan po sa Almond Plaza, Alsat, and Pino Morani. Roaster, thank you for supporting NGP Tigers. Okay, right po po ha. Pass the ball, kuya, pass the ball. Yan, Kuya Prince. Kuya Prince. Ginugulo, number 28. Kuya Prince. Kuya Prince pa rin. Pasa kayo rin.
Jared! Jared!
Oh, pasa
Ay!
kayo rin.
Dali!
Kuya Lok, ang bilis. Kuya Lok, oh, looking.
Jared, Jared! Jared!
Pakalinaw. Pakalinaw, ginugulo ni Jared. Pakalinaw. Pakalinaw, dito si Ate. Pinas, ano kami? Pinas, tayo mo.
Ay! Dali! Go, go, go! Go, go!
Ang bilis, 200 kilometers per hour.
Ay!
Rebound, Ricardo. Kuya Lok, Pinas, ay Makalinaw. Makalinaw. Didis natin. Makalinaw, ginugulo ni Kuya Ren. Makalinaw.
Dali!
Ren, looking for Kuya
Jared,
Ren.
go! Jared!
Kita, 2 against 1. Kuya Ren.
Ay! Jared, go! Jared, please! Ay! One more! Ay!
I love this game. 55 seconds.
Bakit ako makamaan? Ang liit.
Ang ganda na naman parang dito.
Natakot ako mo.
Napagod ang parang
Ay, Diyos
55 seconds. Pwede ba? Mahaba ba yan? Hindi ba natin alam kung ano mangyari dyan? Pwede makatatlong na ito pang ano? Ang blue. Anything is possible. Walang sumukakit. 55 seconds. Kuya Lok. Kuya Lok, ito na. Mukhang ito na, parang dito. Kuya Lok, ginugulo ni Kuya Jacob. Kuya Lok. Kuya Lok, papasa.
Dali, Jared!
Dali, 40 seconds remaining. Kuya Jacob, bilis.
Ay, naagaw na naman!
Ingat mga kids. Dahan-dahan lang. Ang bibilis talaga ng mga bata.
Jared! Jared!
Mga bata, 200 kilometers. Tayo. 20 kilometers. Hindi na makatakbo. Ayan, stable tayo, stable. White. Defense blue. 35 seconds remaining. Pinas straight. Nakuha ni Kuya Lok. Kuya Lok.
Uy!
Makalinaw! Sinugulo ni Kuya Ren! Makalinaw! Ito na! Makalinaw! Mamuntik yung tayo! Kunti na lang! 21 seconds remaining! Hop! Stop lock tayo! Stop lock! Mahaba pa to! 21 seconds! 19-14! Half court blue! Half court defense! Kuya Jared! Pass the ball! Kuya Jacob! Ayan na! Kuya Prince! Ginugulo ni Kuya Tayon! 15 seconds remaining! Kuya Prince! Kuya Prince! Kuya Prince!
Ay!
Ako ni Kuya Jacob! 8 seconds! Kuya Jacob!
Ay!
4 seconds! Bababa! 4 seconds! Masakawin! Kuya Tayon! 3, 2, 1, and powerful game! Congratulations, kids! Okay, shake hands! Shake hands tayo mga kids! Shake hands! Shake hands, kids! Line up! Line up! Line up! Maraming salamat sa ating mga players and mga parents! Ayan, siyempre una-una mga parents! Salamat po sa suporta ninyo sa NGP Tigers! Okay? Okay. Check out it.
Tara na!
Check out
Hindi na, tara na! Punta na kami! Or mamaya na?
Forward, forward.
Hindi, mamaya na lang? Mamaya na lang? Iwan mo po sila.
Mamaya na lang.
Ikaw, ano ba sabihin?
Kahit
Ano dyan? Puto
Okay, meron tayong awarding from Coach Nino. Okay, may award po tayo para sa ating
Jared!
Blue Team. Kuya Sayang Plaza. Congratulations to Kuya Sayang Plaza. And we can receive a medal from Coach Nino and